Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're in Photoshop now. Display the toolbar via Window Tools and pick a workspace like Essentials so tools sit predictably. First, scan the left column to spot the Move and Marquee. These start most edits. Once done, right-click any icon to expose nested tools and hover to read names and shortcuts. Make sure to enable tooltips in Preferences so you learn as you work. This accelerates recognition and prevents fumbling while you begin your actual edits. Now refine how each tool behaves by using the options bar at the top. Set brush size, hardness, opacity, flow, and blending mode before you paint. While working, right-click on the canvas to quickly access brush size and hardness. Hold Shift to lock angles when rotating. Remember modifier keys: Shift for constrained shapes, Alt for sampling with clone or healing, and Control or Command to temporarily switch to move or transform. These habits save time and complete your workflow by converting layers to smart objects when non-destructive edits matter. Add layer masks for selective adjustments, then export via File Export as for final formats. Once satisfied, save a PSD to preserve tool states and presets. If a tool acts strangely, reset it. Right-click its icon or open the flyout on the options bar and choose Reset Tool or Reset All Tools. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes cursor issues, wrong sampling, or unexpected brush behavior. Try it before restarting Photoshop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.